Hello guys, today I will show you how to check your sensor system or which sensor is supported for your mobile. So let's go and start. For this you can download a software. That software name is Android Assistant. You can find it from the Play Store. Just search Android Assistant. It's a very simple and very useful softwares. Size only 1.43 MB. You can download it from Play Store. After downloading it, you can click on this, then click on this system info, then see which sensor is supported for you. See that my mobile has supported all type of sensor, so you can check it easily by these apps. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share. Obviously subscribe my channel. Thanks.